Look at the teeth of this thing. The good and bad things about using shrimp as bait is that anything would eat them. Like this piggy perch and this baby black drum. That's a baby drum? Or this bluefish. A bluefish. Stop eating my bait. Maybe I can keep the perch at bait next time, but today they get to go home. It's rainy at the Subside Jetty today, but fishing condition has been on fire over here lately. My app keeps pointing me over this location, so it doesn't take long until we land ourselves a keeper sheephead. Yeah. Ooh. That's a sheephead. Let's go. Got him on a number 4 circle hook. Well, that's something.